Welcome to Transford Solutions Limited, your number one partner in solving energy bills and powering a brighter, sustainable future. Transford Solutions Limited is number one at solving your energy bills by providing affordable solar, HVAC, and security systems. We also carry out maintenance services in any corner of Kenya and East Africa. Located conveniently at Ruiru bypass, opposite the Mark Hotel, our showroom and offices are the hub of affordable, reliable, and innovative energy solutions. Solutions that are tailored just for you. To start with, in Mata Solar, we wish to start with the simple one for you. Now, the sun is free. Why pay for power bills? Why? From solar panels that capture the sun's energy to inverters that convert it into usable electricity and batteries that store the power for use when you need it most, our systems are efficient, reliable, and guarantee long-term savings. Remember, we are Transford Solutions, not only deliver quality solar and security products nationwide, but we also offer professional installation services to ensure everything is up and running seamlessly. It's now your turn. At Transford Solutions Limited, we are not just a company, we are your partners in embracing a greener, more affordable energy future. Visit us today at Ruiru Bypass, opposite Mark Hotel, or call us on 0708 527974 or 0740 554444. Let's power your world with the sun.